So this is the cautionary tale. These came out a little while ago, I guess, 2000s-ish. They became very, very popular. You can see what it is. It's actually a really, really great idea. Became very popular. I suspect, although I'm not quite sure, I suspect that what happens was it got viral on somewhere like TikTok or Instagram or something like that. It went everywhere. And then this product took off, okay? Now, when it took off, what that meant was anybody selling the product was making a fortune, regardless of how many reviews they had, and regardless of how long they had been on the Amazon platform selling the product. Okay, so had I gone and looked on somewhere like Helium-10 or Jungle Scout and done that kind of normal searching through of what most people tell you to do, unfortunately, of looking for high sales, low reviews, things like that, then I would have stumbled across this as a potential product, okay? I would have stumbled across this as a potential product. Let me explain to you why that would have been a really quite terrible. So this is the search volume that happened for this product. As you can see, it was nowhere. And then come like the tail end of 2021, it went absolutely nuts, going from pretty much 0 to 60,000 exact match searches a month at one point, which is just a ton of search. So you can imagine people were making a shitload of money. And as I said, as a result of that, it would have been absolutely on a platform like Helium-10 or Jungle Scout, being recommended to people as a potential low competition product with high profit potential. Okay, low competition, high profit, just as it kind of hit that crazy, crazy curve. Okay, awesome. Well, what happens as a result of that, of course, is you've got all these people making a ton of money selling the product without a great deal of reviews and able to move the product at a rapid rate, despite the fact that their listings are kind of crappy. Okay, so inexperienced sellers selling the product, just getting it to market as quickly as possible. So had you invested at that time, it may not have worked out great for you, because here's what happened next. So as you can see, so the green line is price. And as you can see, what happened was thousands of people piled into that niche. And then, of course, two things happened as a result of that. Everybody's selling the same thing in the same way. And when that happens, the only thing the market can do to gain any kind of advantage is to go low price. That's the only thing you're left to do. Terrible, terrible strategy. And that's what happened here, laid out for us for all to see. People were dropping the price, dropping it out of their asses to actually try and shift their product. As a result of that as well, as a result of this massive uptick in people searching for this product, these started off at around about $2 per unit out of China. And then as more and more people started searching for them, of course, what happened was the price per unit also went up as well. Okay, so you've got like a perfect storm. Loads and loads of people searching for a product on Alibaba, loads and loads of people buying the product on Amazon, loads and loads of sellers selling the product as well, all selling the exact same thing. Okay, and of course, what happens is it went from $2 per unit up to $5 per unit, whilst also, of course, the price was having to come down. And so it becomes completely untenable. So there was a massive spike of traffic, a massive amount of search volume for that. But had you gone in at that point, you would have really lost your search, which is why I believe the much better strategy is to find a market niche, so a segment of the marketplace, a specific group of people that have got a problem that you can create the perfect product to solve for them. I truly believe that's a much more sustainable, long-term strategy that gives you a unique competitive advantage. So what you want to try and do as an entrepreneur, e-commerce entrepreneur, for anything at all, I mean, e-commerce, great, but it could be anything, is to isolate a target market, find out how you can serve that market better than everybody else, and then serve that market and let them know that you're doing a better job than everybody else through marketing, which is something we do as well, okay? So there you go. Cautionary tale, just to kind of remind you, this is the potential of Amazon. It can make you a shitload of money, absolutely. But if you do it right, it can make you that money over a long period of time and give you something that you'll be able to build and sell. And I truly believe that's the better option for what we're doing, okay? That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 professional e-commerce sellers from right around the world, selling on everything from Amazon to Shopify, eBay to Etsy, and much, much more. If you'd like to find out what we're doing and how we go about helping you make your business successful, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.